Yeah, I will. В том году был я в этой пиццерии. Пиццерия до сих пор существует. Hello, hello, my friend. Hello.
Hello.
Другой.
Hello, hi, good afternoon.
Она чем хороша, то что у них есть вот такой классный настоящий очаг. Очаг. Пицца получается очень вкусная. So what's the name of the pizza I have chosen again?
Overload.
Overload. Хорошо, ламес, это хорошо. Ну да, по названию было здорово все.
Okay. Okay na. Breaks the contract. He really breaks the contracts and he makes the business there without any fuck for the owners.
Very good. Huh?
Yeah, it's very fresh.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, take one. Come on.
This one?
Any.
Okay.
No, no, take the slice.
The whole slice.
Of course, not just this. I know. Huh? Come on, try it and tell us what you think about it.
Wait, it was. You gonna have
So,
yeah, tastes good.
okay.
Yeah, it was tasty. It is tasty.
It's good.
You're doing
Always.
as always.
They have ducks. Duck. Hmm? Catch them and cook. They do. They definitely do. Where's the entrance? I just want to show what we have here. Is it for men?
Yeah.
How much is it? I need something like this.
They have prices like here.
250. It's quite expensive for such. В итоге вот такие плавки. Цена хорошая. Вот такая штука, завернутая в лист, стоит здесь 45 песо. What's the name of this food?
Пастил.
Пастил, да. Я когда слышал про это пастил, это он. Come to us.
I'm just gonna do half
Come on, doggy. Come to us. Первая нормальная собака здесь, которую я вижу. У которой есть мех, который не облезлый, потому что здесь обычно собаки всегда больные. Как они выживают, вообще непонятно с такими травмами. Идем к нам. Look at you. Oh.
Look, he's moving. Aww. I'm not scared of water. By the way, I have the same dog before.
Say the same what?
Same dog.
Same dog.
Yeah.
Really?
Like when I try to float here, he gonna go and catch me. I miss my old dog.
Where is he?
He died already because he's old already.
Look at me, beauty.
You feel me?
I do.
So bad that I can't swim today.
You'll swim tomorrow.
Hopefully tomorrow. Oh, there's another kind of.
Загар мотоциклиста, смотрите. Пальцы белые, а здесь коричневые прям.
Salamat 2021, Gracia.